Hello guys, it's Beyond Sight, and I got a Simon Carabiner I want to review. This Carabiner is from the year 2010. It has one game mode and has 32 sequences. You have to remember. The layout is very simple. On the front part of the unit. Okay guys, I'm doing a video. Would you please stop? Alright, so there are 4 buttons. Yes, they're physical. This unit, if you can see it, is based upon the 1978 Simon. However, it only looks like the front plate. You know, the middle plate where all the sound, where all the switches are. And yes, that flat tire joke from Geico was back. So, there's a button that you have to press to start the game. And I just failed. And I failed again. Remember the sequence? Oh, what? Alright, okay, one more time and then I'm done. You messed me up, Skype. Alright, so on the back there's a speaker, and right beside that is the battery door. There's no reset button, but there is probably some copyright information that says something about it being a 2010 Simon. It is from 2010. This is the original Simon Carabiner, designed to look like the 1978 Simon, but isn't. They did a few Simons after this. The Touch Simon, which I reviewed, the 2014 Simon. Jeez, so many Skype notifications. No! 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 I don't want to play. No, I don't want to play. I don't want to play. Oh no! Oh well. That's the review of the 2010 Simon Carabiner from Basic Fun. And I'm telling you, this is basic fun. Later.